This is problem number 9 from the Chapter 10 closure problems. For the quadratic function f of x equals the quantity of x minus 3 squared plus 4, A, identify the vertex and tell if it is the maximum or minimum point of the function. So for the vertex, we're going to use these numbers here. And one of them we're going to change the sign of. So we're going to change the sign of this. So instead of it being a negative 3, it's going to be a positive 3. It's going to be the x value. And we're going to use this for our y value, positive 4. So our vertex is 3, 4. And whether this is a minimum or maximum. So we need to figure out whether this parabola is going to be this way or if it's going to be this way. So since it's positive, we don't have a negative sign in front of there, so it's positive. It's going to be pointing upwards. So we're going to have a minimum point. So this is a minimum. If it was, if it had a negative right there, it would be upside down, but we don't have to worry about that. B, why does the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 4 equals 0 have no real solutions? So in other words, if we tried to solve for x, what would we do? First thing we'd do is subtract 4 on both sides. So we would get x minus 3 squared equals negative 4. The next thing we would do is try to get rid of that squared, so we would have to square root both sides. If we would square root this side, we can't do the square root of negative 4. So we're not going to have a real answer. We can't, since we can't square root a negative. So we can say we cannot square root negative 4. And that's all for that.